dock. Yes, it is very windy. That is why I'm talking a bit louder than I should be, than I normally am. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head all the way over to the Flute pub, which is about half an hour walk, 20 minutes if you walk fast enough. And yes, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you exactly where I am. Dock. The King's Dock. Beautiful. You may hear a bit of wind noise. That's because I'm right down by the docks. Now, around the corner is the big wheel, which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to walk all the way to the pub. Once again, take 20 minutes to half an hour, depending on how fast you walk. Yes, indeed. The big Pullman Hotel. And now, here is the wheel. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I've been told it goes round 5 times, which is amazing. It does go faster than the London Eye. And it looks like it's currently stopped. The guy in the hotel told me, the top hat guy told me to be a sacked, that anything is faster than the London Eye. That is a sack words. It's not so windy here. I will be using Google Maps in a second to get me to where I need to be. The current Google Maps is absolutely shockingly bad. But yeah, this is currently where I am. M&S Bank Arena. Don't tell me that's Marks and Spencer's Bank Arena. But yeah, here is the big wheel of Liverpool. Here is a lovely statue of a horse. Absolutely lovely. Some wiring or something. And a pit. And a statue of a man with some wiring or something. Yes, lovely statue of a man and a horse. The Ibis Hotel, which I stayed in before. I don't know if that video's out yet. Building a new building next to it, and I've got 22 minutes more to walk this way. Yes, I have. And Liverpool 1 bus station is not far away. No, it isn't. There is just under 15 minutes to go until I reach the pub. And yeah, this is a very, very nice area. I've been past 2 pubs already. Here is the job centre. Job Centre Plus. Here is the 3rd pub I'm going past right now. It is called the Monroe. Looks like it's actually closed. Some pubs are closed during the week. They only open Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And some are only open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And so on. Holiday Inn Express. Two-course meal over there. Deal. And so on. Now I've turned off and I'm all the way down here, which is one of the back streets, it looks like. And yeah, this street does look very nice. It looks like they have refurbished this street some time ago. And yes, it is looking very, very good and very nice, shall I say. A blue taxi, strange. I'm just following Google Maps, and Google Maps is telling me 8 minutes left until I arrive at my final destination. You know what? I'm gonna take a shortcut down here. Well, not really a shortcut. Just gonna go down here and see what there is. This is currently where I am right now. And yeah, I'm literally right next to the pub. The pub is literally over there. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and end the video right here, as I'm on Hope Street right now. So I've now arrived at my location and the pub is just literally around the corner. So I'm going to go inside and I'll see you all later. So apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video right after this one. Bye for now. Bye. Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller. It was absolutely rancid, disgusting. It was dreadful, just unbelievable. Thumbs up. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. Bye.